Let's go. All right. Let's go. Well, seems like since the London session, price did go down to the new day opening gap and even lower. And now there is one more place left, which is down there at 159.25. I'm a little bit... I'd like to see it go down there. That would be great. To the 160. It's actually not far. Hershow, hey there. András, servus. Sümegiádám, servus. Szia. Fellow Hungarian traders here on the stream. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Üdvözöllek. All right. Let's see. Let's see what's going on. So I'd like to see price go down to this 15-minute bullish order block. 15-minute bullish order block or demand zone. That would be great. Otherwise, if I look at the 15-minute, I think... Well, it was pretty much an efficient price delivery. I mean, all these gaps have been repriced completely. And what I would like to see a further drop, taking out the swing low and entering into the zone. So that's the level I see. I mean, one more minute until market open. Who knows? I might even enter a trade. I don't know. I also have some evaluation accounts that I would like to pass before it gets rebuilt. So I might going to trade aggressively on a few evals, basically on MyFundedFutures and take profit trader. All right, 20 seconds to go. 20 seconds to go. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And here it is. Here it is. The market is open for business. I think we don't have any special news, right? Only FOMC later. That's not a big deal. Let's see if this one wants to squeeze higher or starts to go down into the 162s. Anthony, hey there. And Olisha is here. Welcome. Welcome, everybody. I took a small short on an eval. I'm not touching the fundeds yet. I took a small short. I'm targeting this 162 area. I don't even have a stop on yet. Let's put a stop there. This is on eval only. I'm not doing this kind of trades on funded accounts like right after the open. I just like to see price entering into that demand zone. That's it. Early profit taking for me would be around 62. But if it goes higher, above 220, then, well, maybe I will be looking at the 60s or higher. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on, just a little bit there. Just go down a little bit. All right. I need to see price go below the 60s there. Uh-oh. This is not good. We have the first fair value gap here, which is technically an inversion gap. Not looking that good. Anyway, I'm gonna put a marker here. This is gonna be our first fair value gap. Yeah. And we'll see how it's gonna hold. I mean, we still have plenty of time and it should be going down for that liquidity. Or at least it would be great. No. Maybe tries to reprice it. Not sure. Okay, back to the first fair value gap here. Let's see. Oh, 186, you're short. Be careful because if the gap is not going to hold, then we're not going to retest the zone down there. So this is a tricky one, obviously. Have to be really, really careful with this. Yeah, there might be a squeeze, unfortunately. There might be a squeeze. Back to the first gap. It doesn't really want to hold. Yeah. Yeah. Unfortunately, that's it. It's gonna go higher. Anyway, I tried. This was made on evaluation account only. Yeah. Out from the position. Maybe I could re-enter. This looks like a bullish breaker now on the 1 minute, but question is it gonna go higher? Like, it could go all the way to 38. 38. Yeah. Don't know. Better not go 38. Yeah, hopefully not. There's a small 5-minute supply zone there, but yeah, I don't think. I mean, It's not necessarily have to go there. If it turns around, it can still go down to that demand zone. If not, then yeah, I guess we'll see. I mean, so far, so good. It's a good area. I'm gonna put the first fair value gap here. And see if it's going to retest it or gonna go through it or not. Kind of curious. This looks like a bit of a bullish breaker. All right. Dipping lower. Reprice the 1 minute gap. It could go again to the downside. The first fair value gap is now acting as support. Let's see if it's going to hold or it's just going to cut through it again. Because then it would be almost like a double inversion. You're still in it, 86. I mean, yeah, it could be a liquidity sweep here and then going down to the 60 zone. You know. I feel like that could be the case. Let's see. Let's see. Is this going to try or not? A little bit tempted to jump in again. I don't know. I mean, 162, I guess. Maybe. Jumped into another short. Only on an eval. Targeting that 162. Let me check it on the mini as well. I'm just curious about those levels on the mini. 15-minute. Yeah, it's about there. All right. Let's see. Yeah, the market maker is watching. Exactly, exactly. Exactly, Anthony. I don't know what's going on here, but this is like, wow. What a movement. Absolutely nuts. I don't know. Quite interesting. I'm wondering if it wants to go there or not. Yeah, sometimes it's yeah. If you don't feel it, it's better to exit. Yeah, it's better to leave it. But now I'm curious if we're gonna get down there or not. Hmm. Not much is happening, right? Anyway, close my scalp as well. Just didn't like it. But sooner or later, it should be going lower. I hope it's not gonna start like in the London session that we just went sideways and you know, after the AM session the move happened. Yeah, 186 getting absorbed. Could be, could be, could be. Not the best, not the best, Anthony, but you know, it's still not the worst. Don't worry about it. It's still not the worst. I had worse scenarios, so don't worry. What is going on, man? Oh, after fees? Oh no. No. That's not good. Oh man, the 5 minute looks crappy again. I still think the drawn liquidity should be around the 160s. I love to see it go down there. I actually totally feel that. Hmm. Yeah, it's too late. I don't want to force it, but I still feel like it could be a chance for it to go down there. Well, anyway. Wow. But it's only discretionally, so there is no entry or extra confirmation for this trade. Wouldn't be surprised on a squeeze as well. You know, if this is the 5-minute range, then, you know. Hey, MB Trader. Yeah, SMT. Have to be careful here. And I'm also watching ES. ES seems like it wants to push it. Yeah. Dangerous. Extremely dangerous here. Don't really have a proper entry. We're stuck here. Look at that. Look at that. Oh man, the FOMO. Yeah. Closed my scalp too early. Anyway. Below the 160s, here we go. There you go. Boom. Boom. That's it. At least I do have a moral victory that the level was correct. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. I closed it up here. I was in a scalp, only on evaluation account because I don't really like to trade the open. And, you know, I was in a loss. I recovered, by the way, with the scalp, but only on the evaluation account. Should have held it. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. It's too late. Now, I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it could break the 100 down there. I mean, why not? Oh well. Oh well. What can we do? Ah, FOMO is kicking in. I'm not sure I want to enter into a short position again, at least not here. I might just look for long positions. Long ES, short. I know. I don't do that because that would be extra risk. But basically on the 5-minute there is a good target up there, which is here. Starts around 39. 5-minute bearish order block / supply zone. Okay. So if I see a structure shift, I might try to go for it. How far is that? Yeah, 50 points. Why not? And after that, it can continue the bullish move higher. Yeah, that's true. That's true, Anthony. Sometimes they do not sync. Yeah, that is absolutely right. Hey, Dave Trade. What up? Well, the London session was not too good. Small loss, nothing special. Like I was down about $200. And right now I'm basically in a small green, but I just traded the open, so not like I did not have a regular trade entry. I just traded the open on evaluation accounts, but two of my funded futures evals are actually should be okay. I mean, one is up 200, no, 400, almost 500 up, and this one is up 175. So actually good. Actually good. Just don't know how far this one will go. How was your day? You're my top fan. All right. Pass on a 50K top step. Let's go. Awesome, man. Let those payouts roll in. Well, now I'd like to go long here, but what if this one wants to continue to drop all the way down to 43? I'm just gonna put a marker right there. No, actually, yeah, right there. There's a possible sell side liquidity at 43.50. Gotta watch out for that. feels like it might want to go lower. Not sure. Looking at ES long. I guess it can go. A little bit, it feels like that it has some struggle here. But at the same time, it might want to go lower. Let's see. Yeah, it feels like it might want to go lower, but okay. Is it going to try to take the 54 now? What could be the target here? It could be also a trap for sells. Yeah, back to 160. That's why it could be an interesting area here. Okay, we have the new hour. Nothing special yet. We do have a bit of a push here. It's not really doing anything, right? If this one is not doing anything, I don't know. It's moving higher a little bit. Feels like it wants to make a new low. And maybe even go down to that 43 for that swing low, but there could be a bounce happening. Yeah. Enter the short at 69. Only with 4 micros to see if it tries to go for that lower 5-minute gap. don't really like it. This would also be considered as a possible scalp. Don't even have a stop loss on it yet. All right, now I do. Oh yeah, yeah, Anthony. Woo! Look at that! Wow, wow. This was really something. Like wow. What the heck just happened? Yeah, it's down at the. Oh, it didn't. It didn't go down there. 43 is the next fair value gap. I don't know. I guess it can go. It should be breaking that. Yeah, there you go. Okay, we took 43. And now, what the heck should we do, right? Okay, down below 140. We could go through the previous day low at 103. What is going on? Hey, 1500 in 4 days is extremely good, Anthony. That is extremely good. Oh, I'm out of coffee. Out of coffee again. All right. We're so close to previous day low, basically 40 points. What if this one wants to drop? Come on. How far is this gonna go? Yeah. Yeah, maybe. But looks like, look at that. I think it might want to drop lower. Mm. Maybe I'll try to scalp it. I took a small short. Trying to target that level down there, the 103. My TP is at 106. Let's see. Almost down there. Almost down there. Is this going to try to take that level? I wonder. And I don't know what's up with the... Okay, never mind. Let's see. Where is this trade? No. Not this. Here. Oh yeah. Don't even have a stop. Yet. Not yet, at least. Not yet. We're trying. Trying to target the previous day low. If we can get it. Excuse me. Uh-oh. Bit of a bounce here. Or some sort of a rejection. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, I might have to close it. There's some issue with the Bulenox connection here. Oh, earnings. Yeah, that can change the game a little bit. Let's see. Tesla is up 300. Wow. Wow. That is something new. All right. Well, let's see what happens now. Yeah, I feel like this one wants to go above the 50s. Maybe take that 52 swing high, and then who knows what's gonna happen. Anyway, we still have time. New 5-minute and 15-minute candle here. Not sure about the drop. Is it gonna happen or not, or are we gonna see a bounce first? I feel like an easy bounce can happen at any second here. Close that 40. Yeah, I'm a little bit skeptical now. I thought that it wants to go for that previous day low, but it's not going for it. So, looking at the 5-minute, there is liquidity above 53, so I guess it's gonna pop that level. Gotta be careful here. Yeah. Yeah. Closing it. All right. Not gonna force this. And there is still a level. Is that above the 53? I think it is. The high of this the previous candle 52.50. It did go there, right? Yeah. So it is what it is. It is what it is. I tried, but it didn't go down. Now that this 5-minute has been taken, comes the real question. This was a funded account. This was a funded account, an Apex funded account, and I also had the same trade on a Bulenox funded account. Didn't turn out too good. So this was the Bulenox account. I'm down $5 and because I had a profit earlier today. So I'm down a little bit. It doesn't really need too much, and this other trade was on this Apex account. So I just gave back my profits from today. I'm down to $53. But yeah. How you doing today, Dale Zazinga? What's up? What is up? This is kind of interesting, though. I don't know if I should trust the short positions here. Let's look at the 1 hour. Yeah, I mean, like, it's really, really tricky. Nice rejection. I mean, you can go down, obviously. Can still go. It can still go, but I'm not gonna go with it. That's for sure. Or maybe I will. 5 minutes. Okay, looking at the 1 minute. We are definitely close to that previous day low. No, 3 or 13. I'm just gonna wait. Technically, it did the market structure shift on the 1 minute. And there's still a level up here above 157. That could be good for liquidity. Okay, look at that. Here's a possible run. Downside. Immediate reprice. Kind of looks good. Kind of like it. I might jump in. I jumped in. For a scalp. Or maybe I'm gonna hold it for 105. Who knows? If that's the goal for it. It's a little bit heavier position, but I don't care. 10 micros. Yeah, I'm closing it. Damn. Maybe not, but I should. Think I will. No, I don't know. Technically, this also inverted that gap, which should indicate that we're going still down. Come on. It's getting closer, and actually we did not test the 100 on the previous low, so it tried to last time, but it didn't actually. It didn't go for it. Maybe now, but who knows. Oh man. Yeah, I don't like that. I don't like that. Oh man, I was so sure about this drop. Yeah, this is what I get. Alright, I'm leaving this account alone now. This is just gonna push it. And it's, 57. I think it's just gonna go for that 57, right? I don't know. This is unfunded. Hey, Fresh Delgado. Anything, yes. This is on a funded account. But I think I'm gonna close it. The problem is we have these highs and we have that small gap up there. All right. Closing. Damn it. What can I do? I did the best I could. It seems like it wants to reach. There's a small gap here. I'm not sure, by the way. I'm just saying that there's a small gap here. I don't know if it wants to reach for that liquidity or not. Obviously, anything can happen. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, Anthony. Anyway, I tried. I tried. Let's see if it wants to pick up liquidity from up there, and we'll see what we're gonna do after that. If it starts to drop, maybe it will try to go for the previous day low again. If not, then who knows? Just going sideways here. Yeah, you see, it tries to reach for that liquidity up there. I think it wants to go for it. What's that level again? 156, right? Almost up there. Just almost. Anyway. Oh, come on. Just do something. I really want to see a direction. Even a displacement above this gap. Or downside is good too. But it should be making a decision now. All right. Right before the huge spike. Oh no. And look at that. Now this is a real push. What the hell is going on? Are we gonna go through the first presentation gap? That's the question. Or was this just a sweep of orders? I'd like to know that. Was Trump saying something? Maybe Trump was saying something. I don't know. Up there. Definitely not entering on this. Not yet. $1,400, 540. That's awesome. Wait down for the close by a sponsor apparent reason. Yeah. Gotta be careful here. I also have to think twice what I do next. Definitely in a different account. After this push, I would expect it to go higher. But on the 5-minute, I really don't see anything that I like. I mean, I do see there is a zone at 239, so I take it back. You know what? Maybe I should just jump in there. Wow. What is happening? Oh, he said something good. Oh my god. Is he speaking now? Um let's see. Trump eyes a bigger and better trade deal with China. Okay. So that could be the thing. Are there some details? Not really, right? Okay. That's why they call it, this is a Trump market. You know, we are in a Trump market. Yeah, I think so, Royce. Yeah. Maybe some coffee here. I mean, as far as I look at this, look at that. This is pretty much a crappy market right now. Repricing this. Is it changing or shifting anything down here? Okay, it might be shifting down again to take out the 03. Gotta be careful here. Okay, stuck here again at the zone. All right, all right. Doesn't really go anywhere. Hey, Pare. You got 2R, negative 2R. Yeah, I also lost. I'm down more than $300 on a funded account. So I'm jumped into another one. Not really good, to be honest. Not good. Not good. Oh, man. I really, really, really was hoping for more here. But this one is tricky. Oh, nice. The target? Well, if this one goes higher, I would say it would be nice to see it going up to the 239s. But, I mean, that's what I would go for. But there is no entry, at least not for me. So no displacement on the one. Well, actually, there's one small one here. Might be good. I'm not sure. But the problem is we're so close to those lows. What if it starts to just dip lower? Obviously, it can take the stairs up. Is that a little bit 2060 on gold? Well, there's a previous day high and nothing else on gold at 60. It's just a swing high. If you're referring to 2060, no. Okay, NQ. You mean 206? Um, oh, 060. Okay. Sorry. Excuse me. Now we have a swing low, but nothing else. Let's check the 1 hour if there's something down there on NQ. We have a nice fair value gap here, but this one has been mitigated on the 1 hour chart. Oh yeah, and one more thing. You're right. We have a bullish order block or demand zone between 124 and somewhere around 42, which means price can also, I mean, it might want to take out that order block, but it has to go through here, which is previous day low. I don't know. Man, it's a tough call. It takes the stairs. It's taking the stairs and goes higher. S&P sector decliners. Energy up the most. Oh, I see. Well, you know, there's always a time to walk away. But this doesn't make sense to me. It's not making any sense. Yeah, it's just slowly grinding higher. It's very close to 200, so would not be surprised on the 200. It sure did not move a tick for like 40 seconds. It's going sideways. Jesus. Look at that. Yeah, it's still pushing up there. It's still just pushing higher. I hate this. I hate this so much. Just a slow grind. I don't see the point where it could go. Maybe if it would just, change direction or something, that would be great. Yeah. Yeah. I agree, Anthony. That could be the case. The problem is, this is like typically the kind of area where you don't really want to jump in. Because although we have the first fair value gap up there as a zone, but it can also just take the elevator and go down. So better to wait and sit on our hands. There you go. Back to the first fair value gap. Yeah, could be. It seems like a squeeze, yes, but man, if you jump into a long now, then it's gonna take the elevator down. So the new day opening gap, of course, it's still up there. It could be interesting to return to that zone, and of course we have the midnight area, and yeah, the daily candle almost looks like a bullish. Well, it's not looks like a bullish pin bar, but it's definitely pushing back. So There you go. We got back to the first fair value gap. Is 239 possible? Is that a possibility? I think it is. Let's see. Yeah, so back into the first fair value gap. And who knows how far from here. Now, if it drops below 82, we might see a shift to the downside again. Like maybe. I don't know, but maybe. Tariffs, but prices, yeah. Fundamentally, NQ is definitely more bullish. Like the tech companies, yeah. The tech sector. Okay, we stepped into the macro. Let's see if there's gonna be some liquidity sweep or not. So far, the first gap is holding it. If it goes through, well, yeah, it seems like it's losing ground here. Actually, it's a 3-minute fair value gap, so maybe not. Low is 190. Could be just repricing on the 3-minute. Not sure. Let's see if this one's gonna keep this area or it's gonna trade below the 80s. Yeah, it could be. It could be. Yeah, that was a real big drop. On that CPI. 15 minutes still looks bearish, so, you know. If the 5 minute would do like a bearish close, who knows? Anything would be possible. I feel like it wants to go lower. There could be a structure shift at 82. If it's gonna shift it, we might see a drop. There you go. Excuse me. So, is this going to be a drop? That's the real question. This one shifted. So, if that one has shifted, what would be the final target? Trying to drag it out. Uh-huh. Yeah, I'm not using the DOM. Yeah. Oh, listening to FTT bankruptcy. Nice. Nice. And where is it? Totally forgot to ask. Where is it at? Where can we listen into? Oh, it's it's that group, I guess. Which is on Twitter, right? I think I was reading that there's a group. Oh, a nutty stream. Okay. still going lower. Oh yeah, it's all. I mean, this is still interesting. Like if it goes lower, I would still be looking for that 103 level. You're looking for okay, 60. All right. This price action is like wow. I don't even know what to do with this. Oh man, I'm down a few $100 today. A little bit more than 300. I don't feel it, man. Let's see. I still like the zone at 239 up there. What is this move here? Crazy market. What the heck is going on? Another ES long. Yeah. The thing is, I'm not really looking at ES, but I see that it might try to push again. There's a very short block here That could be a target to get to the zone. Well, actually it did once, so it might try to break it once more. So I'm also a little bit excited to jump into a long, but I don't know. I wonder if it's going to, break that high and, go for that zone up there, that supply zone. Oh, well. It's not slowing down. Well, I'm not surprised on anything anymore on this one. Look at this, man. All right, let's see what it does here. I don't know what it wants. It seems like a bit of a bullish flag. I don't know if it might break that high and goes for the zone up at the 240s, but I'm still watching it. Hey, good morning, third. You got filled poorly. Oh. Yeah, right now I think spreads could be a little bit wild. Wild. All right. This one can do anything. Now this definitely looks like a bullish flag. Hey Kirk, now you're not late. Actually, the market is a little bit crazy. One tick spread. Yeah, trading view is always different, you know. Well, not good. I'm down a few $100 on funded accounts, so. Yeah, I'm reading. I'm watching the chart, looking for a scalp here on this bullish flag. To break higher than the 207 or 208 and maybe target the 239, and I just can't decide what to do with this. Oh, anyway. From New York AM session. Sorry, Kirk. From this AM session, it was pretty tough for me. Bad entries, late entries, you know, got stopped out. Not really good. You're practicing on trader weight. Nice. Hey, that is awesome, Kirk. Congratulations. Congratulations. $2,000 from Take Profit Trader. That is the way to go. Oh, in the AM session. Nice. That is awesome. I'm happy for you, Kirk. You deserve it, man. That is super good news. That is awesome. Okay, so what's it doing right now? Going higher, going higher. Now I'm a little bit. Oh man. You know, the FOMO is real. Look at that. It's gonna go to 39. And you know, I was watching this bull flag here. Bull flag here. Could have entered on the break of this one. What a nice trade would have be. Jesus. Oh man. This would have been awesome. This would have been awesome if I would have taken it. Oh, by the way, Kirk, I need to share some good news with you because you're also with Take Profit Trader. Here's my Take Profit Trader Pro account. Look at that. It's at $4,815. I have also requested $315, which is about $252. So this has turned out to be, this account finally, a ATM machine. So I'm just curious. I mean, I don't know what to do, because if I close down the account, I could get $1,800 from this if I close the account. Should I close the account? Because we were talking about this in London session. Should I close the entire Take Profit Trader Pro account, take the $1,800 because that's what they pay, and put it in a private account. That's what I'm thinking. To put it, for example, at MFutures or TradeAway, or I don't know, and trade it there with micros, 1 or 2 micros. No? Okay, that's what I'm always asking. Yeah, so if I close this account, I get 50% minus 20% profit split of the safety threshold, right? So that's $4,500. 50% of that and minus the 80% is 20% is 1,800. That's what I get if I close this account. Personal account. Tudor is saying personal account. And if I add that $252, which I requested, I mean, that's the net profit. After a profit split, that means if I take everything from this account and close it, I can channel $2,000 to a personal account, and I can continue to trade there. What do you think? So I shouldn't do that. I got a 4K in a week and still have buffers, so no way. Yeah, you know, but because we were talking about this to trade with a personal account, to trade with a personal account with about $2,000. Now this Take Profit Trader account could make this possible if I channel the money out. Anyway. Actually to 2 personal accounts and trade 1 micro on each. That's also a good idea. I don't know. Because, you know, let's just do a reality check, okay? Let's do a reality check. What are the chances that this account is going to last for a year? Right? Okay. So what are the chances of how many payouts am I going to... If I can make like about $2,000 and more in payouts from this Take Profit Trader account, then obviously it's a good choice to leave the account. Or I can channel out the money, and as Tudor said, I put in $1,000 to a personal account, and the other $1,000 I'm not even trading it. I don't know. Yeah, get to 5K first. Okay. 2%. yeah. So this account, more likely, less than 2% is the chance that this account is going to last for a year, right? Because that's the reality. I see. All right. So yeah, that's why I was trying to gather information. Your dilemma now is to get 5 TPT account or start personal. Yeah, Kirk, so I wasn't really sure what to do as well with this dilemma here. I mean, what should I do? I mean, the same question. I mean, I definitely want to trade with Take Profit Trader. That's out of the question. So obviously I want to trade with them, and I'm still working on more accounts. But, you know, it kind of boggles my mind to channel out some money to a personal account. I don't know. You know, it's basically just numbers on a screen, but on a personal account, I can still like do what I want. Yeah, 80 on the Pro Plus. It's right. It's 9 to 10, 90 to 10, but still, I mean, 88. It's not that. It's not bad. You know, 80-20% is like okay. You know, we have to take the fact that you can get a payout any day if you want. If obviously if you're above the threshold, so you can take a payout any day if you have a good day or made some good profits in 2 or 3 days. That's it. Just click it out and boom. You know, how awesome is that? It's almost like a little bit. It's like a personal account. Olisha, what's the news? Let me know. Let me know. Come on, don't tease me. What's the news, Olisha? Oh my god, that is awesome, Olisha. First day on Take Profit Trader 100k Pro Plus account. You what? $3,246. $3,246. Olisha, I don't know what to say. God bless you. God bless you, man. That is awesome. That is awesome. Oh, man. Congratulations. That is really awesome. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, Take Profit Traders so far doesn't have these kind of things. Also, MyFundedFutures is pretty much lenient, you know. So they are most likely they don't really ask anything. So payouts are pretty good with the MyFundedFutures as well. Oh, man. Another bullish flag here. All right, let's see. I don't know what to do with this, everybody. I just don't feel. I'm down a few $100s. By the way, Kirk, I'm not sure if you're still here. I requested the payout this morning around the market open. How much time did it take for you to get approved for the payout, or is it get approved on the next day, or because this will be my first payout from trading at Take Profit Trader. They give you ESN for free. You have to pay for. Oh, yeah, yeah. That's true, Alicia. Yes. Yeah. So you have to pay for it. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Less than 12 hours confirmation by email. Nice. That is good. Payout this morning to. Oh, definitely. Thank you, Alicia. That would be great. Just to know, because I requested like just a few hours ago, and I'm curious. Maybe they're gonna send an email after market close, or I don't know. Yeah, 12, 24 hours. Yeah, because this is gonna be my first payout from the. I received affiliate commission, yes, but from trading account, this is gonna be my first one. All right, everybody. I think I'm gonna call it here. I don't see anything that I like, so I'm sorry. I'm down a few $100s, but overall not bad. I think I'm gonna call it here, everybody. I'm a little bit tired as well. It wasn't really my day, but we'll keep on moving. I know. I love you too, and everybody. Kirk. Sorry. But I really would like to stay, but I don't see the point right now in this market. I just don't feel it. Yeah, Alicia, thank you. And Nertando, you as well, and Albert, Jonathan. I think we're still going higher. 239 is the level that I really like. I just don't have an entry. I missed my bull flag entry. I got stopped out from this long because I entered too late. Anyway, I just don't. I don't want to do more stupid stuff, you know, because I'm feeling my head is starting to shift to a bad mood, and I don't want that. So I'm just walking away and driving the BMW. Yeah. Congratulations for everybody who had profits. Special one for Alicia. That's awesome profits. And Nintendo, everybody. What can I say? Thank you for the support. If you would like to grab some evaluation or funded accounts, please don't forget to use the cheat code TomSabo for these prop firms. That would really help out the stream. Think about me. You know, I'm a small streamer. Anyway. No, but really, thank you, everybody. And see you guys tomorrow in London session. All right. All right. God bless you all. See you guys.